WhatsApp has been working on supporting usernames for several months. The messaging software may soon allow users to use unique handles to contact people without exposing their phone numbers. A new WhatsApp beta release has shown that the firm may also allow users to create pins to restrict spam and unwanted interactions. According to WA Beta Info, the WhatsApp beta for Android, version 2.22418.2, has pin support when creating a username. If the functionality is implemented, you will be able to set a pin as an optional safety measure. This way, folks who know your WhatsApp username will still require the chosen digits to open a discussion with you. This feature may make it difficult for spammers and other bad actors to reach you because you will always be able to update your PIN if someone posts it publicly. WhatsApp may also allow you to disable the PIN altogether if you wish to make your profile more accessible. Beyond PINs, WhatsApp will most likely allow users to choose whether new chats expose their usernames or phone numbers. By using the old identification method, users can totally conceal their phone numbers, making WhatsApp a more private messenger. Keep in mind that WhatsApp usernames and PINs are still in development and are currently unavailable to beta testers. As a result, it's unclear when and if the corporation will make them available to its users.